right, coach, boy. Things start looking very bad for you and difficult for you with 7 rounds of game to go.
Yes, very much difficult. But as all of you knows, we have facing a lot of problems. Very difficult problem there. And today, how many players we have to change regarding to the card, yellow card, red card, some injury. Even Elliot did the best as he could. He came from the injury also. But we're not to give up. I came here to develop meta project, the youth potential. Today play 6 players. 4 of them has never played in the Premier. And the only thing we have to do it, continue our work, believe in our work, and do the best for the Chapleton.
So this is the situation with the team that relegated, coach. You would plan to stay on and carry on with this team?
Yeah, that's very early. It's a question that maybe somebody is doing. Some of friends has calling me and asking about this. I'm focused 1,000% now. That the situation is not very well, of course. I realize this. But when I reach here, I knew that we have facing a lot of problems. As all of you know, we could not hire any players. Some of the players cannot play against some team. Yellow card, injury, but we have to continue.
So you keep fighting them, coach?
Yes, never give up. I'm going to give the best as possible and try to finish, to end this league at the best as possible.